take a look.
Supermodel, actress, and Binibining Pilipinas Maha International 1992, Marina Benipayo teaches the golden batch of Binibini a few pointers that will help them on the road to the crown.
I will be sharing with them some wisdom. After I joined in 1992, and after 20 plus years, I have realized that if you have a title, you really carry it throughout your life. Hello, everyone. Hi. A beauty queen. If you divide it into two words, it says beauty and then queen. Correct? You are not a beauty princess. You are a queen. So in this pageant, you won't learn to be princesses, but queens. Looking presentable, feeling elegant. There are only 4 categories to that. No? Ano lang yan? PENS. P-E-N-S. Number 1 is posture. E is exercise. N is nutrition. S is, baka kung ano isulat nyo. S is sleep.
Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi nga noon siya sa industry. And yet, yung tinuro niya sa amin na-apply, kumaga hands-on talaga siya.
Poise and posture are actually different from each other. Poise is creating that equilibrium in your body. Okay. Posture, for that matter, is the way you do your normal everyday activities. It's not only standing up. It's also sitting down. It's also walking. While walking, kung kaya nyo, no, i-master yung habang naglalakad kayo, tumitingin kayo from left to right. And then center. And then when you turn back, wag yung back agad ganon. Okay? You would want the audience or the camera to capture your face. Make the most out of yung kagandahan nyo. Aha. Tapos while turning, nakasilip ka na, oh. Diba?
Every person has the signature walk po. So, na-impress po ako kay ma'am. Kasi parang queenly talaga. So, nakaka-inspire.
Always remember, Araneta, okay, your visual line, maximize yung exposure of your face, smile.
It's just looking up at the Araneta and getting used to that. Yes. And be more natural.
When you enter, ano itatanda nyo? Ito na ako! Di ba? When you exit, mamimiss nyo ako. Okay? Everything comes from here. Everything comes from your will.
The Binibinis know how to look, how to walk, and talk like a beauty queen. Now their well-heeled feet can land firmly on that golden road.
Some of these girls have a Cinderella story, sort of like a rags to riches, while some of these ladies have been through a lot, whether it be with family or health. But each of these Binibinis have their own story, just like our third batch of gold Binibinis.
I'm Ana Fernandina Bukid, 22, from La Loma, Quezon City. We have a different kind of a family story. My younger brother doesn't live with us. He's with my auntie because no one really could cater to him. My brother's working and I'm in college. He's in high school, so he's now with his cousins. I'm the only girl. I feel the responsibility in the family, which is that to connect the younger and the older. Being the sister, I'm the one responsible, taking care of both. First, it was okay because I know that I had to help out. But then, that's when I realized that I'm being a grown-up now. I have to do my responsibility. I want to teach him as early as now that You know, you have to think about your future. You have to work for it.
Val Bispo, 25, Tanawan City, Batangas. Kahit siya yung aking tinuturing na strength, minsan natuturing ko din siyang insecurity yung height ko. Kasi sa mga Filipino, hindi normal ang pagiging matangkad. Doon ko nararanasan yung discrimination. For the longest time, naging insecurity ko siya. Talagang kinausap ako ng mother ko na masinsinan. Dahil nakikita niya siguro talaga na sobrang inferior yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. So, na-try different things. Ang una kong sinubukan, maya ng basketball. Nakakatuwa kasi dumating yung time na parang nagcha-champion kayo. Tinitreat ka ng mga tao na parang superstar dahil wow, kahit hindi marunong mag-basketball ang tangkad mo, nakaharangan mo yung ano. Then nung pagka-graduate ko, inisip ko, si height ba hanggang basketball na lang? That's when I started joining beauty pageant. Magandang blessing from God na binigyan ako ng ganito.
I'm Mercy Grace Racal, 19, Nueva Ecija. Yung first time na nag-join ako sa pageant, nagulat ako kasi yung mga other na mga handlers, yung mga PA niya, meron silang mga dalang mga foundation. Nag-start na silang paputiin ako, and then I won. Nagtuloy-tuloy yon after that, barangay level and then city level. Pinapaputi ako na natutuwa ako kasi nananalo ako. Pero at the end of the day, naiisip ko, is this me? Maybe the reason why I'm winning is because of my color. Way back 2010, when Venus Ra won, that was the time when I decided na sumali ng pageant, pero kinontradict ko na yung mga handlers ko na I said, no, this is the time for me to use my color. After all, this is the real me. Mas masarap ma-feel na mahal ka ng tao na ikaw talaga and you're not trying to be someone else.
I'm Pauline Quintas, 18, Antipolo City. Nung nag-start ako mag-college, sabi ko kasi sa nanay ko, pag college ako na lang. Pumayag naman sila. Ako na lang naman kasi yung nag-aaral. Tapos yung baby namin, elementary, so kaya na nila yon. Ako college, parang gusto ko ako na lang. Ayoko nung mag-aalala pa sila. Pag may work ako, nagpapaalam ako sa school na kung pwedeng mag-retake ng exam. Nanay, tatay ko, sabi, binibini yan, ibang level na yan, dapat galingan mo na. Bawal yung papetiks-petiks dyan, mataas na yan.
I'm Maria Teresa Gorgonio, 25, from Cebu. Actually, I used to be a flight attendant. I think the time when a passenger died on board, that was really memorable. Because usually we do really long flights, like 14 hours, 16 hours. So there was this old lady who died, and the crew are dying. They were like helping so much. I had an experience that a passenger actually took money from his wallet, asking me, how much are you? Here in the Philippines, when you say you're a flight attendant, they will look at you as, whoa, you're a flight attendant. But in some other places, some other countries, they will look at you as, oh, you're just a flight attendant. The woman who serves meal. I think, first of all, you have to be really mentally ready. All this, I think also the job helped me a lot. It will make you really stronger. So at least, well, coming to Binibini, it helps me, especially when you're on stage. Well, I was really nervous during screening, but it's like I tell myself, okay, these are just my passengers.
Mariel De Leon, 19, Lobo, Batangas. I have 3 older brothers and a younger sister. Of course, with my older brothers, I keep more secrets from them because they're very protective over me. But with my sister, I share everything with her, and of course, I teach her how to go through mistakes and problems since we're both girls. That's childhood memory. Every year we go to America and we go to Disneyland and different resorts and places and sites. I just show them how much we all work hard to get what we want and what we need, and just assure them that no matter what, the family is always there for them.
when no one understands.
I'm Cinderfina Bundabar, 24, from Camarines Sur. Pinaka-memorable experience ko while working. Every time I see my patient na parang with just a small deed na ginawa mo, tapos bigla siyang mag-thank you sa'yo. Tapos parang, wow, parang it's fulfilling for me as a nurse. Ang buhay ng tao, very short lang talaga. Minsan nakikita mo lang, naglalakad lang, then tomorrow, ay, wala na pala to. Parang you have to value everything that you have. Kasi yung buhay ng tao, dadaan lang yan once. So, just value everything. I'm really enjoying the journey. Peace, ganda. I mean, kahit masakit siya, parang you see every positive thing. Sige, sacrifice mo na, pero at the end of the road, parang it will all be worth it. Kasi win-win situation. Ano man ang mangyari, I will gain from this. Kasi all of the 50 candidates are all winners now.
Parul Shah, 24, Pangasinan. I was brought up in a house where my dad's Indian and he's Hindu, with a mother who's Filipina and who's Christian, in a country which is actually very religious Muslim country, which is Dubai. And my dad brought me up and my mom brought me up. One thing and one thing only. Parul, you have to remember two things in life, and that is humility and respect. And if you master both of these, you'll get anywhere in life. My dad showed us life in a very simplest way. You don't pick up money on the road. You actually have to work hard for getting where you are and where you want to be.
Shauna Puat, 25, Agusan del Sur. I used to work as a welcome ambassador. Girls na position sa lobby, and then you just welcome the guests, you entertain them, and if they have questions regarding the hotel facilities, well, the experience is challenging because it's hard if you're working abroad, and then your family is in the Philippines. So you experience homesick kasi when I was a child, every Sunday after church, nagkakaroon kami ng family bonding. Kasi ang Chinese, they're like us din eh. Nakikita ko yung family together, minsan nasa park, nagpe-picnic, and nakakaingit lang yung feeling na parang, parang it's been a long time na na-experience ko yung gano'n. Pero at the end of the day, after everything, tapos may experience ka ng mga hardship, ang sarap ng feeling na you were able to overcome those challenges sa life mo.
Casey Gonzalez Kahandig, 20, General Santos City. I've been modeling for 8 years now. I started at the age of 13. I am a runner-up in Ford Model Supermodel of the World Philippines 2008. And I was able to represent our country, Philippines, in Taiwan. And I won second Miss Photogenic. 2010, I was sent by my school in Hanbat National University in South Korea as an academic exchange student. When I was in Korea, sobrang nahirapan ako mag-adjust first sa weather and then sa food. Never pa ako nagkaroon ng boyfriend kasi gusto ko muna mag-focus sa career ko. I believe naman na hindi ko kailangan magmadali kasi it will come at the right time.
Angel May Villafuerte, 21, Naga City, Bicol Region. I choose to volunteer for the Cariton Education because I grew up in a family that knows how to share. Actually po, mahilig kasi mag-ampun yung papa ko kasi sa bahay namin minsan may mga helpers, ganyan, tapos parang nagiging extended family. Kita ko nung mismong nandun kami is yung pag nagbibigay kami ng pagkain sa kanila, tapos parang konti na lang yung food pero sinusave nila para, sabi natin, tinanong namin, bakit mo hinahati yung ano? Sabi niya, ay para kasi sa magulang daw niya or sa iba niya pang kapatid. Parang for one person lang yung food. I think it's being innocent. Yung kasi minsan pag tumatanda ka, di ba? Masyado ka nang nag-iisip. Nakakalimutan mo lang minsan na simple lang yung buhay.
I'm Elaine Bakay, 22, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Ang buhay sa probinsya, napakasimple lang po kung compare dito sa Manila. Doon, lahat ng kapitbahay ko, kaibigan ko, kapag sumasali ako ng pageant, lahat alam, lahat buong street nakasuporta, supporters ko. Napakasimple. Like, minsan yung ulam namin, pwedeng sa backyard lang kunin. Katalbas ng kamote, ganyan. Sarap na yan. Siyempre, sinasacrifice ko yung time ko that should be spending with my family, with my loved one. Kaya lang kung iisipin mo kasi, hindi naman lahat ng dalaga sa Pilipinas na bibigyan ng chance maging candidate ng Binibining Pilipinas eh. Parang it's a privilege. So, sasayangin ko ba yung chance na to, yung opportunity na to na ma-enjoy, na maikuwento ko sa magiging apo ko in the future na naging part ako niyan eh, ng Binibining Pilipinas.
Binibinis, all the experience that you have gone through, lahat yon, it has shaped you to become the beautiful women that you all are today. So stay positive, work hard for your dreams, and good luck to all of you. When we return, Binibining Pilipinas International 2012 Nicole Schmitz with our last batch of Golden Binibinis. So stay right where